Hello, mouth. Hello, lashes. I have a new phone, and obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. But we'll just enjoy this view. Not. Fly with me. Fly, my pretties. Okay. Here is the unicorn balloon animal shirt. It's the cutest thing ever. And all I'm doing is cutting her out, and then I'm going to sew her onto one of my favorite little Torrid shirts, which I love because Torrid's fit is everything. If you have not tried Torrid, you should. It's autofocus though. There we go. So, let's get started. I have pinned the glob of t-shirt onto the center of my shirt. I wanted the horn to be in the center, so that's what I centered, and the rest is on a little bit of a tilt. And now what I'm going to go do is sew right around the actual graphic, and then we'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I did the first cut, which was pretty large, just around, and so the reason why I had 2 layers, and what I'm going to do now is cut this one smaller all the way around, so that way when they're washed, they'll ruffle up and look so cute. Now you can see how easy this is. I'm doing it in my lap with the little snippies. I used the dressmaking shears to do the big cut, the first cut, and then I'm just using the little snippies, my little stork scissors, to do the smaller cut. And you don't have to worry about making straight cuts, because once it's washed, it'll ruffle up, and you would never know anyway if it was straight or crooked or whatever. And I know there's some people out there that like a cleaner look. I am not that person. I like for it to look girly but grungy. And that's just my aesthetic. But certainly you can do a cleaner job than I'm doing, than the rough chop look. I just like the contrast between the girly little unicorn, you know, and the rugged. You can see already the little rugged rough edges. Like it looks like something on a baby onesie, but you know, the mom's obviously an alcoholic. It's terrible. Terrible analogy, but it does paint a picture. No surprise that my mother was an alcoholic. That's where my warped mind comes from, I'm sure. Also, long nails come in handy with small projects like this. And I see a couple of places that I want to trim down the first cut, where it's just a little too wide, because I want it to ruffle and look cute. And by ruffle, I mean curl up or roll up. It's just a little more fabric than I want in a couple of places. Not many though. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Okay, I love it. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to put it on the mannequin so you can see what it'll look like on. There you can see the happy little unicorn, and once I throw it in the washer and dryer, the edges will curl, and it's going to be so cute. And you know, and you've got the contrast of the shredded shirt. It's going to be really cute on them. I'm so excited. Y'all have to try this. This is how you get cute kid-style t-shirts for adults. If you've ever wondered, this is how you do it. You go to Justice or Target, any of those places in the kids department, and find the cutest little graphics, especially Hello Kitty. All of my Hello Kitty almost are done this way. But try it. Let me know how it goes.